Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docents DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the Gateway Arch and why it's known as America's gateway to the West. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Is the Gateway Arch located in St. Louis, Missouri? Yes, it stands on the west bank of the Mississippi River in St. Louis. Is the arch taller than 1,000 feet? No, it is 630 feet tall. Was the arch completed in 1985? No, it was completed in 1965. Does the Gateway Arch commemorate the Louisiana Purchase? Yes, it honors Thomas Jefferson's role in expanding the western frontier. Did Frank Lloyd Wright design the Gateway Arch? No, it was designed by Eero Saarinen. Can visitors take an elevator to the top of the arch? Yes, a tram takes visitors to the top for amazing views. Was the Gateway Arch built in just 1 year? No, it took 4 years to complete. Does the arch symbolize America's westward expansion? Yes, it represents the pioneer's journey to the west. Is the Gateway Arch made of gold? No, it's made of stainless steel. Does the arch honor President Abraham Lincoln? No, it honors Thomas Jefferson's contributions to westward expansion. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.